World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, WWW, is a large information system where you can surf and get information. It consists of several public and private websites which may be interlinked and accessible over the Internet worldwide. WWW is also known as Web. Many people believe that the World Wide Web and the Internet are the same thing, but this is not correct. In fact, these are two different things. The web is a service, a system for accessing information that is supported by the Internet, a system of interconnected networks. Information on the web is stored in the form of web pages. A web page is a hypertext document. A collection of related web pages is called a website. Websites are housed on web servers. A web server is an Internet host computer that often stores thousands of individual web pages. Copying a web page onto a server is called publishing the web page. This process is also called posting or uploading.